In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw an activity diagram in Lucidchart. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to over here on the left, and you have three options. You could start from scratch, you could use templates, or you could use AI. So if I go to templates first, you could just go and type in activity diagram. There we go. And as you can see here, you're gonna have like a bunch of different options. It's going to show you like some examples, and you could go and basically use any of these to actually create your own diagram from a template. So that's kind of the essentially the kind of the basic way of doing it. Okay, you also have the manual way where you have to put in your shape. So if I go here and type in activity, activity, there we go. I can go and of course use any of these. So as you can see here, I have some like different things I could go and put in here, and I'll be able to create my own with that. So you can just drag and drop these, and you can that way of course create and craft or draw your own activity diagram. Or by far the easiest and quickest way to do that would be to use AI. So we could go here and type in, I need an activity diagram of an, let's just do like online shopping process. There we go, and you can just click on the enter key on your keyboard, and there we go. It's going to start analyzing, and it's going to create your very own activity diagram of, for example, in this case, an online shopping process. Now, of course, you can do it for whatever you want. It literally takes like 15 to 20 seconds. It's rarely longer, and then whenever it's done, you'll be able to see it, you'll be able to customize it, you'll be able to do whatever you want with it, and of course, you can also add things in there, etc. And yeah, so this should be done within just a few seconds over here, and we're going to be able to see our final result. There we go. So the diagram has now been generated. As you can see here, it has all the components. I could go and move these around. I can customize them. I could change them. I could do whatever I want. And I can create my own personalized activity diagram from an AI template, which AI generated over here. I could also ask AI to add more things, remove them, etc. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.